It's a 2018 Jaguar E-Pace. Uniquely Jaguar, everyday practical, the E-Pace makes driving exhilaration a daily routine. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: Ingenium engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, in-control Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, automated parking sensors, in-control navigation pro integrated navigation system with voice activation, in-control apps, leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. Jaguar builds comfort, sophistication, and performance into every standout design. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For